Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the go-to place for all things entrepreneurship and online success. Today, we've got a special guide that many of you have been asking for how to make money online. Whether you're a freelancer, aspiring content creator, or just looking for that side hustle, you're in the right place. We've compiled a comprehensive list of proven methods to make money online. From freelancing and affiliate marketing to blogging and e-commerce, we've got you covered. But before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates. Now, let's get started. Freelancing. The rise of freelancing provides a global platform for individuals to exhibit their skills and engage with clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer enable freelancers to offer diverse services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and marketing. To thrive in the freelance market, craft a robust profile emphasizing your skills, experience, and past project. Consistently deliver high-quality work to accumulate positive reviews, enhancing your credibility and attracting a broader client base. This dynamic approach allows freelancers to not only showcase their talents, but also create a sustainable and flexible income stream in today's evolving work landscape. Online surveys and reviews. Engaging in paid online surveys and writing product reviews presents a straightforward avenue to earn additional income. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon's Mechanical Turk provide opportunities to express your opinions and receive compensation in return. Although this method may not generate substantial earnings, it offers a convenient way to make some extra cash during your free time. By participating in these activities, you contribute valuable insights to market research and product development, while also benefiting from the flexibility and simplicity of these online platforms. Keep in mind that the financial gains may vary, but it serves as a feasible option for those seeking supplementary income without extensive time commitments. Online tutoring. Utilize your expertise by offering online tutoring services on platforms such as Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, and Wazant. Highlight your proficiency, establish competitive rates, and consistently deliver high-quality tutoring sessions to build a positive reputation. This strategy enables you to share your knowledge and earn income in a flexible and accessible manner. By leveraging these platforms, you tap into a global audience seeking academic assistance, creating opportunities to connect with students and contribute to their learning journeys. Establishing a positive track record enhances your credibility, attracting more clients and fostering a rewarding experience for both you and those you assist. Embrace the flexibility of online tutoring as a means to share your skills while earning a meaningful income. Remote work. Amid the rising demand for remote work, abundant job opportunities can be found on platforms such as Remote OK, We Work Remotely, and Indeed. Traditional roles, including customer service, data entry, software development, and marketing, now frequently offer remote options. Customize your resume to emphasize your remote work skills and apply to positions aligning with your expertise. These platforms serve as valuable resources for individuals seeking diverse remote job opportunities, reflecting the evolving landscape of work preferences in today's dynamic job market. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale and strategically promote products through blog posts, social media, or email marketing. Success in affiliate marketing often requires understanding your audience and selecting products relevant to their interests. Create and sell online courses. If you possess expertise in a specific field, consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare provide a space to share your knowledge with a global audience. Invest time in creating high-quality content and use marketing strategies to reach potential students. Successful online instructors often engage with their audience, continuously update content, and encourage positive reviews. Blogging and content creation. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel can be a rewarding venture, both creatively and financially. Monetize your platform through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Building an audience takes time, so choose a niche you are passionate about and consistently produce valuable content. Engage with your audience through comments and social media to foster a sense of community. Stock photography. If you have a talent for photography, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alamy. Create a diverse portfolio that caters to different themes and trends. Understanding the market demand and optimizing your images for search can increase your chances of making sales. Regularly contribute new photos to keep your portfolio fresh. E-commerce and dropshipping. Setting up an online store through platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce allows you to sell physical or digital products. Dropshipping, a business model where you sell products without holding inventory, can be a viable option for those with limited capital. Research trending products, optimize your online store for conversions, and implement effective marketing strategies to drive traffic. Remote consulting. Offering your expertise as a consultant can be a lucrative online venture. Platforms like Clarity.fm connect consultants with individuals seeking advice in various fields. Alternatively, you can set up your own consultancy by creating a website, showcasing your expertise, and promoting your services through online channels. Provide valuable insights and solutions to build a satisfied client base. Social media management. Proficiency in social media can open doors to opportunities in social media management. Many businesses and individuals are willing to pay for someone to manage their social media accounts, create content, and engage with their audience. Develop your social media skills, stay updated on trends, and consider offering your services on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out directly to potential clients. Virtual assistants. As businesses and entrepreneurs increasingly embrace remote work, virtual assistants play a crucial role in providing administrative or support services. Platforms like Upwork and Virtual Assistant Jobs list opportunities for virtual assistants. Showcase your organizational and communication skills, highlight relevant experience, and offer services such as email management, scheduling, and data entry. Navigating the dynamic realm of online opportunities unveils a plethora of avenues for individuals seeking to earn money. Whether opting for freelancing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or alternative methods, achieving success typically demands a synergistic approach involving unwavering dedication, continual skill enhancement, and adaptability to evolving trends. In this ever-changing landscape, embracing a diverse skill set, staying committed to one's chosen path, and remaining attuned to market shifts become instrumental in carving out a successful online venture. Remember to approach online ventures with realistic expectations, as building a sustainable income typically takes time and effort. Be cautious of scams and fraudulent schemes, and conduct thorough research before investing time or money in any online opportunity. Continuously refine your skills, stay informed about industry trends, and embrace a mindset of continuous learning to thrive in the online space. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you found our guide on how to make money online helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, drop a comment down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps us out. Remember, success in the online world takes time and dedication, so don't get discouraged. Keep exploring new opportunities, refining your skills, and adapting to the ever-changing landscape. That's it for today. Until next time, stay inspired, stay hustling, and we'll catch you in the next video.